Say hi, howdy, and hello.
Hi, hello.
Are we in a hotel? And it's raining, isn't it? It's raining so hard. I like the rain too. Pop-Pop's checking in. We're at the Sheraton Vistana. This place looks like fun. You know what they got here? A pirate ship that it wrecked in the pool.
Wrecked in the pool? I wanna go.
Yeah, me too. Let's wait till it stops raining and we'll go check it out, okay? Alright. Rain, rain, go away. Little Silas wants to play. Well, it seems the rain might have let up for a little bit. That looks good for us. It's Florida, you know, it's raining 1 minute and not the next. But the boys are getting luggage, so let's take a look around our room. We're building 9, 5th floor, room 503. First of all, I gotta tell you, we stepped in. It's nice and cool in here. It's a very hot day today. I think it's a 95 out there. Nice to have the ceiling fan greet you in this cute little living room. That's a sleeper sofa. This is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, but I think they say it sleeps 4. Don't quote me on that. Window looking out to the parking lot. And if you've seen our other video, I had complained about that in the last one. I'll link that up top if you haven't seen it. If you're looking for a good option to stay while you're on iDrive, gotta visit one of those parks, I think this is a good option. Got a kitchenette. I don't know if we call this a full kitchen. What considers a full kitchen? Got everything you need. Full-size coffee maker, toaster, wonderful looking microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher. Of course, some things are a little dated, but everything looks pretty nice. If this was my house, I'd have plants up there. But that's kind of cool. Got the TV, the Marriott Bonvoy commercial running. Let's see what's in here. Closet number 1. Ironing board, iron, and garbage can. And closet number 2 says the fire extinguisher's in here. Laundry basket. Oh, nice. Vacuum cleaner and a broom. And yeah, that fire extinguisher. Anything in here? We got a Bose system. DVD player. Nope. And nope. Ugh. But nice 4-seater. Beautiful light fixture. Yeah. All right, let's do the hall closet first here. It's washer and dryer, stackable. Oh yeah, let's go back. Back it up, Joy. Back it up. Kitchen. Got our dishwashing liquid, a dishwasher powder. Wild sweet orange tea. I might drink that one. A couple packs of coffee, but we brought our own salt and pepper shakers, but they're packs. That's different. All your dishes. Wow. Lots of dishes. What else we got down here? Couple more things. Ooh, did you hear that thunder? Another pack of dishwasher detergent, kettle, pots and pans. Do I need to look up here? Oh, ooh, margarita. Well, let's turn the pro travel tip. Turn that on as soon as you walk in the door. Nice, clean refrigerator. All right, now that we backed it up, let's go in the bedroom. Bed looks comfy, got a lot of pillows, light on either side, clock's not plugged in. Another TV. Closet. What you might need. And our patio. Let's go check this out. Hi, Sheraton. Let's see what you got going on. Whoa. Talk about hot. Freaking deep. We gotta turn this on. How do I do that? Like that? Like that. Yeah, it's on. Let's see if it goes any faster in a minute. But look at this. This is what I was saying with the last place we stayed again. Ooh, hear that thunder? There's well now. Do you think that's to get the hell out of the pool alarm? Jeez, oh Pete. Oh, but look at all these fun places to scoot, and guess what? We got scooters. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, wait. Oh, that's nice. That's a big step, but a lot of places don't have that. I have whapped a toe more than you know. I got the poetry going on today, don't you know? Let me stop saying that don't you know shit. It's getting annoying even to me, and I'm like, oh, hi, girl. Look at this. Wow. Well, now. Skincare bar, full thing of tissues, extra toilet paper. Look, stuck to the wall in the shower. Wow. That's new for me. Full-size bottles just stuck to the wall. Ow, door. The door just jumped out and jacked me up. Extra toilet paper, extra tissues, couple more towels. I like this light. This is a good mirror. All right. There's another mirror back here. And then we're back out and around. See how we came around? Look, I'll get Silas with this playing hide and seek later, but yeah. Yeah. All right, let's go check out the property. I need to see the property.
Yeah. Yeah.
Isn't that cool? Hi there. Oh, I see ducks. Do you see ducks?
I don't see them.
Right there. Oh, that smells so good.
I'm gonna catch that duck. It's, I can't catch it. Let's go on the bridge.
Let's go on the bridge.
Go on the bridge. Go on the bridge.
There's ducks in the pool.
It's ducks in the pool.
It's
Wow.
a beautiful purple tree.
No, can we choose flowers for my mommy, for my daddy, for Mary?
Oh, for all three. That's so nice.
Oh, thanks for my friend.
Well,
Sure. I'll write on it. I'll write on
we
it.
will.
Sure. I'll write on it.
No.
Let's go from Baba. Go from
Pirates Cove Bar.
Pirates Cove Bar.
In the village's marketplace.
Aww, that's so nice.
Came inside the marketplace. We just had to check it out. See, they got a nice little assortment: toys, candies, tchotchkes, souvenirs. Let's see. This pack of candy, $9. Let's try something else. Coffee cup. That's kind of cool. Corksicle. What's that say? What's it? How much is? Hold on, I'd rather. Oh, a bit about. What? Hold on. Is this like cereal? The whole store like that? I mean, I know you got me trapped here, but wow. How much is this? $12. 12. This bottle of wine. Nice little Chianti. 32 bucks. 33 bucks. Coffee. Regular coffee. Tall is $5.60. Grande $6. Venti $6.50. 8-inch 4-cheese pizzas, only $8.99. That's not terrible, I guess. 8-inch, that's little though, right? Avocado toast for breakfast is $8.99. Breakfast panini is $9.99. Muffins, cupcakes. These cupcakes are $4.99. Pop's talking to you. Oh, if you've watched my videos, you might know I love a good hammock. And here's a couple of good ones. You can't see the water, but you can definitely hear it. Listen, this is called basketball. See him? See what he's doing? How he bounces it?
Yeah.
That's called dribbling. You gotta do it like he does. So he doesn't roll it.
Ready?
Put your hands out. Get ready to catch it. Okay, got it?
Oh, yeah. All right.
It happens.
Yeah.
I'm too well for it.
No, you're not. Try again. Try again.
Oh, I'm gonna catch it.
He's in my spot.
Yeah.
That's okay. And of course, as soon as we ordered, they opened the pool. Even though we just heard thunder like 3 minutes ago. I'm so confused. So we'll munch and go to the pool. I'm gonna get wet. I'll tell you right now, I'm gonna get wet. You tried, didn't you? pool, bright and early in the morning, right next to the Breeze Bar and Grill, waterfall, volleyball net, that's nice, big loungers, umbrellas, cabanas, They do hair wraps and braids, temporary tattoos here in the afternoon. They also have scuba lessons in the swimming pool. Little splash pad here at the Bella Pool. 0 entry. Hot tub, playground. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Volleyball court, shuffleboard court. Oh, hey, I was gonna do a room tour.
Yeah.
You, is that all right? Can I do that real quick before we go?
Yeah.
You're awful cute, little red, white, and blue. Did you just toot on me?
Yeah.
Boys and their toots. Thanks for coming back for the morning after walkthrough. Is that what we call this? I don't know what we call this. We call this, we're checking out, let's go. Bed was pretty good. Not too high like I like to complain about. Pillows go flat pretty quick, but I bring my own pillows and blankets, so. Patio, remember, this building, this side, these buildings 7, 8, 9 on this side, they get a ton of sun in the afternoon. It is so hard to sit out there. Like after 3, 4, 5, 6, depending on the season. Bathroom was great. Only complaint was the body wash was empty. Guess that's hard to tell. Maybe a little pool hair problem. Look at that. But hey, so this was our look around this room. We do this often. If you haven't seen our other hotel tours, maybe I'll put one up top since you're looking and interested in the Orlando area. We want to thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button and come on back to join the joiners again. Thanks for watching. We love it when you watch. You ready to go?
Bye-bye.
Ready, set, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, we're out of here.